Hello guys, today we are going to be putting an end to failure in the
You
other
get
room.
it?
I hope you
If you
understand
don't get
that.
it,
You
forget
see
about it.
some men looking at their madam as if madam is their sister. Madam is not your sister when it comes to performing your duty in the other room, okay? She's not your sister. Some even look at their madam as if she's just a piece of furniture that you just acquire. No, okay? It is because the John Thomas is no longer dancing when it's supposed to dance. After this video, you will continue to win your match home and away. If it requires you to score a goal, you will definitely score that goal. Okay, so now pay attention. What I have here is I have turmeric here. We are going to be preparing turmeric milk for this. I have turmeric here. Turmeric actually is inflammatory. I also have coconut here. Coconut will make the work, you know, to be more longer in the other room. Okay. Then I have garlic. Oh my God. Garlic will increase your stamina and strength. You see some men just little, mountain madam will set in the other room. You see them panting. After this video, you will no longer pant again. Okay. And I also have uh ginger. Some people will tell you I'm not in the mood, I'm not in the mood. Ginger will actually put you in the mood. Ginger will put you in the mood. Then I have cloves. Cloves will increase your libido, it will boost your sperm count, sperm mortality, and make the general work to be more sweeter in the other room. All right. Now, this milk is actually good for everyone, both male and female. Guys, watch this video to the end so that you can be able to put an end to all these things. If you are getting any value from this video, please do not forget to do the needful by following this channel. Subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss anything in this channel. All right, let's go on. Welcome back, guys. So after blending it, the next thing you need to do is to filter it. All right, that's sieving it. After sieving it, it is ready to be taken. So now let me quickly let you know in case you are doing a little. So you can use like 1 to 2 turmeric is okay. Little ginger is good. Then you can use about 3 to 4 garlic is also okay. Then on the cloves, use 3 to 4 as well. Then get a little portion of coconut. So you can use 1 glass to 2 glasses of water to blend. So this is it. This is our turmeric milk. So you can see it's very beautiful as you can see it. So taking this morning and evening for 7 days will make you not to run away from your duty post again. Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video.